Today I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail template in just a few minutes for easier parent communication. November's coming up pretty quick, so one of your to-do list items is probably to email parents about parent-teacher conferences or report cards. Let me show you how Gmail templates can make that process easier. First, let's check and make sure that your Gmail templates are turned on. So we're going to click on Settings here. We're going to click on See All Settings, and then find Advanced in the tabs across the top, Advanced. And right here on Templates, make sure we click on Enable. Once it's enabled, come down here and click on Save Changes. In Gmail, we can start by clicking on Compose, coming to your new mail message and writing out a basic message about what you want to say. Educational Resources has made some email templates for you. You can find on our Ed Resources webpage here in the Parent-Teacher Conference Invitation or Parent-Teacher Conference Follow-Up. If we click on these, it will ask you to make a copy. You can copy and paste. So I'm going to copy, right-click copy. I'm going to come back here. Once I have my email written, I can click here on the three dots, click on Templates, scroll down to Save Draft as Template, and again scroll down, Save as New Template. I'm going to say 2025 Conference Invitation and click Save. I send that. The next time I want to write that same email, I can click here on Compose. I can go to my three dots. Again, go to Templates, and I should see 2025 Conference Invitation right there. Give that a click, and there's that whole thing. All I have to do is fill out my name, fill out student's name, give them the dates of conferences, and put my appointment slots booking page here, which is another video about how to make those. Make sure your signature is turned on and send this email out. So it should make writing these emails to parents a whole lot easier. I hope that helps. If you found that video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll have new ones next week.